Now we want that off by taking a gourd, make this diagonal cut through it, and then begin to make multiple slices out of it as such. Now arrange them on either side, making about 3 or 4 of them on one side. These will look like wings. As you can see, we have arranged about 4 to 5 of them on one side. Now once you are done with this, now afterwards take another piece of it, that is of the vegetable, cut it out into a petal or a leaf-like shape, add it to the center as such. Cut out another small strip of it, and then make 2 of these strips, cut out the fleshy portion out of this, and then add it as the antenna of this bug that you are creating. Make sure that they are as thin and slim as possible. Also make it as realistic as possible. Add these to the top, the wider end facing the bug's body, and then afterwards take another piece, slice out the fleshy portion of it, leave only the peel, cut out these circular shapes out of it, and then add it at the top as the eyes. Now take a beetroot, and then using the circular stencil, once again cut out multiple circles out of it, and then add it to the ends of each of the wings that you have created. As you can see, we have had to cut out about 10 of them in total for each of our wings. Next, take a dragon fruit, cut out a slice of it. Now, slice either side of it as such. Once you are done with this, join 2 of them together as such. This should give it a small petal-like shape. Make multiple of these and then arrange them on a plate as such. Afterwards, take a kiwi, slice it in half, make multiple slices out of it, and then afterwards, arrange it in the circular shape. Now, continue to do so. Add this one on top of the other. Add this kiwi one on top of the other as well, and then roll it up in on itself. Spread it up onto itself, and then it should look like a rose. Make these diamond-like cuts out of the peel of the gourd. Add it into each of the gaps that are present. Next, start off by taking this gourd, slice it into half, remove the peel of it, and then separate it from the fruity portion of it. Now afterwards, make multiple slices out of this, arrange them alternatively, and then afterwards make an entire circle out of this. Once you've made your circle out of this, then afterwards, arrange it and make sure that it is evenly put. Next, take a beetroot and then make strips out of it as such. Then make it into this diamond-like cuts and then add them into each of the dips that are present all around in a circular shape. Next, we'll start off by taking a gourd and then make a small diagonal slice on one side of it. Now, slice through the top portion of it and then take off the upper part. Make multiple slices out of this upper part that you have entirely taken off, and now add it back to this vegetable portion of it. Begin to alternatively push each of the slices that you have created. You may use a toothpick in order to do so to make it easier to spread it out alternatively as such. Continue to do so, and then once you are done with this, take a cherry and then using a toothpick, add this to the back as such. Now once you have added it to the back, next arrange it as such. Next, we'll start off by taking a watermelon, make a slice out of it, remove the fruity portion of it as such, and then remove the other fleshy portion of it, and then cut it up until you reach the peel of it. Slice the 2 sides and then make it all the more even, make multiple slices out of it, make it stand as such, and then spread it towards the back, add a toothpick to make it stay in its place. Insert the other 2 pieces into the toothpick as well, add them in layers in different parts as such. Next, as you're adding them one on top of the other, put this onto a plate, add cherry tomatoes to the top of the toothpick. Taking the fruity portion of it, make cuts onto this as well, make slices out of it, add them onto the plate and spread it out as such. Thank you for watching.